How to get the repost button on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the repost button on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So the repost button feature is basically a quick way to share any video you find with all of your followers and friends. So the first way we are going to try is to make sure that your TikTok is updated. So just go to your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search bar and just type in TikTok. Let's click on TikTok and make sure that it says open right here, and if not, if it says update, just click on that so that it will update your TikTok application. The next step is to go to the TikTok app and open it. From the home page, just go to the profile page by clicking on the button at the bottom right corner, and let's click this 3-bar button at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Let's scroll down a bit and you have the option to clear the cache. So don't worry, because this will not delete your drafts or your videos. The data that will be deleted if you clear your cache is merely your preloaded profile information and your watch history. So that is one way. After that, if the repost button is still not showing, just click on the 3-line button right here again and the settings and privacy. Let's go to the support section, just scroll down a bit and click on report a problem. Just wait for it to load and click on the compose button right here. Click on the compose button again and just type in about the repost button if it is not shown on your profile, and type something like, please help me resolve this issue. Type in thank you as well, and you can also add media files to show that you still don't have the repost button on TikTok. After that, if that still does not work, just reinstall your TikTok app and you might get your repost button. So another option is to click on the 3-line button again, go to settings and privacy and click on privacy. So this only works on some location or regions. So like in my location, it does not show. But in some, it might show the repost option right here. It is usually below the liked video. So if you have a repost option somewhere under the safety section right here, just click on that and toggle the repost button feature on, and that will show your repost option. For example, just click on the share button at a certain video, and here is the repost button you can click on. And that is how to get the repost button on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.